Modes of teaching, learning, and individualizing instruction. Introduction. Teaching and learning happen in different ways or modes depending on the place, method, and tools used. In India's diverse education system, teachers must choose methods based on students' needs, resources, and situations. A. Types of teaching learning modes. 1. Face to face mode. Students and teachers meet physically in a classroom. Traditional method of teaching in India, used in most schools, allows direct interaction, immediate feedback, and emotional connection. Example, a teacher teaching student in a village school under a tree or in a classroom. 2. Distance mode. Teaching and learning happen when teacher and student are not in the same place. Includes online classes, radio, TV-based learning, or postal lessons. Example, during COVID-19, students attended online classes from home. Indian example, Swayam and Diksha portals are used for digital education across India. 3. Oral mode. Learning through speaking, oral, and listening, oral. Important in Indian classrooms where stories, poems, and discussions are used. Best for younger children and language learning. Example, a teacher telling the story of Birbal and Akbar to explain cleverness and presence of mind. 4. Digital mode. Learning using technology like computers, mobiles, tablets, internet, and smart classes. Makes learning interesting, visual, and interactive. Indian examples. Diksha app, digital content for school children. PM eVidya, TV channels for classes 1 to 12. Benefit, reaches remote areas where teachers are few. 5. Individualized mode. Learning is planned for one student based on their level and speed. Focuses on personal needs, strengths, and weaknesses. Example, a slow learner gets extra help and time to understand math problems. Useful for children with learning difficulties or different abilities. 6. Group-based mode. Students learn in pairs, small groups, or full class. Encourages cooperation, sharing, and teamwork. Example, group project on pollution where one student draws, another writes, another presents. Indian tip, useful in crowded classrooms where one teacher handles many students. B. Individualizing instruction in regular classroom. Even in a large Indian classroom, it is possible to give attention to each child in simple ways. Strategies to individualize instruction. 1. Know your learners. Observe students to know who is fast, who needs help, who is shy or active. Tip, use small quizzes or oral questions to check understanding. 2. Flexible teaching methods. Use different activities, drawing, storytelling, role play, reading, games. Let students choose their way to learn. 3. Provide extra support. Give extra time or simpler tasks to slow learners. Use peer tutoring. Strong students help weaker ones. 4. Use teaching aids. Use charts, pictures, flashcards, and local materials to support different types of learners, visual, auditory, etc. 5. Activity-based learning. Plan hands-on activities to involve every child. Indian example, in Tamil Nadu, activity-based learning, ABL, method is used in government schools successfully. 6. Assessment for learning. Regular feedback helps understand who needs more help. Tip, use oral questions, drawing-based answers, or simple written work to assess learning. Conclusion. In India, with its diverse learners and varied resources, teaching must be flexible and creative. Whether it's face-to-face, distance, oral, digital, individual, or group based, each method should focus on making learning joyful, meaningful, and inclusive. Teachers play an important role in adapting instruction to meet the needs of every child so that no learner is left behind.